look at the creamy texture. Wow.
That is so good.
Hey guys, welcome back to Mom and Sons, and today we are making a fudge brownie. So let's get started. Here I have taken 30 grams of dark chocolate and cutted it into pieces. Here I have 1.5 tablespoon of room temperature butter. Now I'll add the butter to this chocolate. Now we'll microwave these together for 30 seconds. After it's out of the microwave, just give it a stir. Now we'll add 1.5 tablespoons of powdered sugar and mix it. Now 1.5 tablespoon of room temperature milk. Here I have taken 4.5 tablespoon of maida and we will add a little and slowly mix it. Here I have 4 paper cups. We will add the batter we have just made in these cups. Now let's add some chocolate chunks on top to make it even more chocolatier. Now we'll microwave these for 1 minute.
On microwave mode.
You can have this as it is or you can have it as a dessert. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.